You're watching the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
Well, she's sharing the secrets that make you feel, beautiful. These are the secrets that celebrities use. And I want to introduce you real quick to Desi Bartlett. She's the author of Total Body Beautiful. I like that. Total Body. I mean, we're not just talking about this right here. We're making us feel good, right?
Absolutely. That's my whole message. Feeling great from the inside out.
I love this. And they say you're a celebrity trainer. Who have you trained?
Well, I'm really happy because Kate Hudson wrote the foreword for this book. And so I've worked with Kate.
Yes.
I work with Ashley Tisdale, Emma Roberts. The list goes on and on. But really, this is for every woman because we're all the star of our own lives.
I love that. And now as I was reading through this, I saw that, after the age of 35, let's be real. We all like to think we're as young as we were when we were 25. But wisdom is power. So here's the thing. Now that we're over the age of 35, what can we do, like even at home, to make sure that we're in tip-top shape?
Yeah, so Christina, what worked at 25 doesn't really work now, right? A little extra crash dieting and cardio, not so much, and it doesn't feel good. And so I'm really interested in women feeling great from the inside out. So movements that are really big and expansive, like you see Natalia and Seth enjoying here. I want you to move through 360 degrees range of motion because you only get strong at the angles at which you work.
Interesting. So you're saying like isolation moves that you used to do maybe in the gym, you're saying maybe that's not as effective?
Exactly. All that little pulsing that you used to do, you only get strong at like this much of the muscle. I want the entire muscle. Not only that, I want the entire body. I want the quads, the hamstrings, lower back, arms. You can see how everything is moving in harmony.
Because you're activating like full body, like your entire body as you do something like this.
Exactly. And so the book is really a combination of yoga, fitness, and Pilates. And you'll see that these beautiful women are enjoying movement from all three different formats.
Oh my goodness. I mean, what I love is that you can do this from home. You don't need to be necessarily in a gym to do this or a studio.
So my co-authors and I, Nicole Stewart and Andrea Orbeck, wrote this book during COVID. And so we specifically designed it so you can do it anywhere, and you can absolutely do it in the comfort of your own home.
I love this. Okay, obviously it's important to keep your body moving, but stress these days, especially as a mom, if you're full-time mommy and you're also working full-time, what can we do mentally, for ourselves? Just because mental health is just as important, I feel like, as physical health.
100%. So the body and the mind are not separate. And what we tell ourselves in the morning is so important. So I want you to set up the day for success. And to your point, Natalia, this beautiful woman over here, and Seth, of course, Natalia is a mom of 3. She's a photographer and she's a doctor.
Oh,
so
my
this
word.
Book is written for women who want to do everything and to show up with full energy.
Yes.
So I want you to start each morning with the idea of, what is my intention? Is it fun? Is it being present? Is it joy?
Yeah.
Whatever your intention is, set that, write it on little sticky notes, put it in your car, put it in your kitchen, and follow that.
And then you can focus. See, listen, when people tell you that it can't be done, you talk to Natalia. And she'll say, you can spend a few minutes doing this, and this is going to better yourself, which means it's going to be better for the folks around you because you're a better person inside and out.
Yes, when you fill your own cup, then you can take care of others.
Absolutely. I love that. Let your cup runneth over. Okay, here's the deal. Total Body Beautiful. Remind me where we can get these books.
Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Target.
Okay, so here's the deal. If you are watching, you want to get a hold of this book, you can go to our website, fox5sandiego.com, click the Scene On tab, and we will get you hooked up. Okay, Desi, thank you so much for your time. Ladies, you've been doing this for a few minutes. I know, it's not as easy as they make it look. Okay, we're going to take a break. We're going to be right back. Don't go anywhere. Thank you so much.
Thank you.